I was trying to get it. Some stars came across the screen. So we're hoping to get... You know what? I haven't played this game in such a long time. Quick Hits Wild Red is the name. Let's see. We want something big. We want the free games. We don't want the money. Oh, no, not that. Times 25, maybe. Oh. We definitely didn't want that. It made a lot of noise for $6. I'm so disappointed. I really thought we was gonna get something good. That did not deliver. That was max bet. Do it. I dare you. Come on. Oh. You have to make up for that. 7 sevens. Come on. Free wheel. Game. I said free wheel. Super wheel. Because I was going back and forth and just playing with it. Because it seemed like I was getting more hits on the $1.60. And then I hit that $2 and it was over. I thought that, I think that's all it's gonna give us. Okay, let's find something else that's gonna pay us. We're gonna take that $10 out. Okay, I'm not too sure about this. Finally got the bonus on this. Borders de Daughters. We need those capes, 6 of them. Oh no, don't do us like this. This game, you know, sometimes I love it, sometimes I hate it. It's one of those. It took forever to get the bonus, and it looks like it's not doing 6 capes. 6 capes. That's all I want. 2-cent denom. Look at those progressives. One more. Oh, it re-triggered. Well, you know what? He's probably ready to give us something since he re-triggered. 2 pennies. Come on, 2 pennies. 2 pennies. Do something for us. This dollar. We need 6 capes. Why did you re-trigger if you're not giving us anything? What? Look at it. Got them red eyes like you done something. Drop a lot of your friends. How about 4 rows of your friends? That would be awesome. But I gotta hit the button. Why is it taking so long? Here we go. Oh, I need 6 capes. 6 capes last spin. I can't not believe this. Oh, you could have been a bull in the middle. That sucks. That just, that hurt my heart. Is there anything else in this game? Is there a winner in this game? Probably not. 3, just drop 3. 6, ooh. Okay, so we got $20 mini. We're on $3. Maybe this is a better bet. We'll see. Drop some big numbers. Ooh, what about that major, minor? What about something? There's our numbers. Come on, dollar link. Triple minis. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Let's not. I don't know. I have not been having... Come on, save it. Save it with a cape. Oh. Don't do this. I seen the triple mini that went past. I don't know. What is it? You dropped more than $3. More than $3. What is happening? Okay. What's up with the little numbers? The capes are barely going around. This button is sticking and stuff. Okay, we got, what, 4 more spots? Save it. Whoa, we got a triple minor. This is the first time I ever got a triple minor. That's $300, y'all. We got 2 more spots. Look at that grand. Never had a grand. Come on. Oh, last spot. Okay. Oh my goodness, look, y'all. A triple minor. Y'all see, watch. Stop playing. 2 cents a nom, $3 is the bet. So I guess we forgive them for that last bonus that was nothing. Say that ain't awesome. $371. Oh. I should just leave it there. I don't know, maybe another spin. This game is not doing anything. We're gonna take our money and leave. Another bonus, let's see. What's gonna happen? We need those coins. Look at that super stampede, it's still there. I had the regular stampede and guys, it was horrible. Come on, coins. Like to have that super stampede. Where is that arrow? Coins. There's no coins? Wow, there's no coins up in there. Oh wow, what was the point of this? See? And I keep playing it. $4.20. Are you serious? Coin. Oh, I'm probably gonna scratch this. Still nothing. Come on, coin. We got 2 more tries to get that coin in there. No. I don't know what's wrong with this, guys. I seriously don't. This is the hardest game, and I probably will never play this again. I'm pretty sure I won't. Because I lost money on this. Look, nothing. Oh, come on. Seriously, nothing. I am so over this game. I've been playing it too long. I have not seen the arrow. Well, right here. It keeps giving me the same thing, and that was horrible. Believe me, guys, it was horrible. Give me some coins. Coins. Oh, come on. That's all it keeps doing. Sorry I couldn't show a super stampede. But this is super dumb. Hopefully somebody else get their super stampede. Alright, let's on to the next one. Okay. Are you gonna give us something this time? I have been playing this. I've been going up and down. Have not gotten a stampede, an arrow. I have to see one. What's going on? There's barely even any coins in this darn thing. Oh, see? Come on, coins. Buffaloes. That didn't line up. Oh, we're missing a. What was the point? See? It's not giving me anything. That was an arrow. I'm seeing the arrows now. For whatever reason, they're not stopping. Come on, arrows, park in there. Nothing. Well, this is why I don't play this game. Come on. $8.50. Come on, eat up the rest of it. You already done took 100 from me. Would you gave it back to me, but I kept playing and I shouldn't have, because I just really thought one of those arrows was gonna. Well, there we go. Nothing.